Well, what do we have here but a October slight risk falling on a Thursday. We're in this with a 5% tornado to our northwest. Wind is meh, but we do have that big 15 hail. So this is a Thursday. My last class ends at 12:15. So naturally, you probably know what this means. We are actually, in fact, activating chase mode for the first time this year. First, few months in the plains. We've had some storms, yeah, but we haven't really had a real tornado type setup yet. But we'll be talking about this. It's a hybrid cold core / triple point, but we're definitely targeting that triple point. 0Z herd is coming in. Look at this, just one monster supercell. But here's just an arc of potential supercells developing, and then it builds southeast right on the triple point in there. And we will have a pretty good profile to work with. Dew points and potential convergence. Look at these low 60s dew points being wrapped into the low. So we'll be targeting this area with just very nice southeasterlies. Let's just go for one sounding and see if we can get a decent amount. I mean, just a insane hodograph. I mean, we got sustained southeasterlies at 20 knots, and that wraps all the way up to a low jet of 55 knots from the due south, and just some very nice upper level winds and actually some upper level divergence. Equilibrium level is quite low, honestly, for, I guess it is October now, but it's quite low. So 1,000 Cape, LP-ish, but you can work with that. I'm thinking that upper level wind is going to be good for that updraft and downdraft being really well separated. So, and obviously dry air loft and low top storms potentially. Things could be very picturesque. And I think the things will be supercellular for a little bit briefly. So that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. And we'll be heading out in the early afternoon and targeting that triple point, probably just a little northwest of us. Then we might be just dropping southeast as you see that arc of supercells just blow up and head towards us. So we'll see what happens, but should have a fun video coming up. Well, on this mid-October night, it's about 71 over 60 still at 9:30. So of course, the night before the potential tornado event. How does it feel? Does it feel like tornado weather? I mean, it definitely feels moist for October in the plains, I'll tell you that. Some of these clouds, some of these guys, this is your nocturnal low-level jet that's ramping up with pretty good wind aloft. I mean, we do have a bit of an inversion, but a warm front is pushing through. And it's moist, lows to 960s, and you can just see that little jet beginning to go to work, and these clouds are going to be flying by overnight. And then hopefully some destabilization tomorrow. I will see you on the other side tomorrow. Morning of, still going on to that slight risk, 5% tornado. It's been expanded a little bit in size. They did add 15 for wind, rightfully so. How are we feeling? I mean, it feels like a northeast day. It feels surprisingly moist. I think we're about 65 over 60. Still softer in those low-level clouds, but we are on the warm side of the front, or the warm front, I guess, which is up in there. Not rolling that out at all. So we are about here, going south. We're in Alright, we're waiting and choosing between a few storms. We got tornado warning in the line to our northwest, not going for that bait now. We got one supercell to the west, maybe you can see it. It's pretty nice, but it's still kind of misty. We're starting further east on some developing stuff in here. It's still getting organized for sure, but it's out ahead of the line, so we hope it's discreet. And we're hopefully following it northeast. It is windy. It's not exactly warm. It's like 67 over 61 maybe. Feels like October. No. But we'll see. Clouds are screaming, as you'd expect. I've seen faster moving low-level jets, but it's up there, as you'd expect.
As you get further and further into the day, it's not committing.
Yeah, you want to commit early enough, Alright, so we were looking at these two, but they're really not going, they're discreet. So we're potentially going west to this tornado warned one. Don't want to miss too much. So we're bailing, I guess, west / north. See what happens.
Same strategy. Just be a touch south.
Alright. So we are about right here watching a cell merger, possibly. There's the anvil of the leading edge of it. There's the dirty core back there. So that
It's something in this.
I mean, we're on the wrong side, but I can still see a lot.
If it does tour, we can go straight towards it
Yeah, it's
pretty
gonna be
quickly.
right. It's
You'll
gonna
be able to see it.
Hildreth.
We would be able to see it in theory.
Alright, so we got the main body, the supercell. Main body of the supercell's coming in right now. Here's the edge of it. We're just gonna put in a tornado warning. Area of interest is south-southeast. So we're gonna be watching this. Might dive east and south. But we're honestly in a good position. Like our main hail is still off to the west. So we're waiting. Alright, Mark's in charge.
Several people on that storm.
Currently there's a tornado on it. We're diving south.
Should be able to see it.
Dude, Sam's on that one.
Oh, is it that back there? There's a funnel back there. You see that? It's in the right spot. It should be right there.
Like due south?
He's like straight there.
Yeah, it's kind of in the rain curtains there. I think that's it. Yeah, that has to be it. It can't be left of the road.
No, it's still to the right of the road somewhere.
Oh, I see that. I see the wall cloud. See it on the left?
I don't see any tornado. But
That's the wall cloud.
It's gotta be that.
It's got to be on this side still, though. Yeah.
It's not seeing it yet. So like south-southwest is where we're looking, right?
Yeah.
It
Okay.
should be somewhere right there, like
Yeah, that's
almost on the road somewhere. But
Yeah,
that's your wall.
I think that's what it is. It's just right on the road.
I see something.
We need to do velocities. Okay, yeah, it's still to the right of the road. The couplet is still there.
Oh, you're on radar. So I'm getting video. How close do you want to get is my question. So I mean, we can bail back
We're
north.
still a ways
but-
out.
Yeah. Are we laying across the road in front of us, whatever it is?
It's just off to the right. There's a rain curtain over the road, and then to the right of that dark figure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it is. It has to be.
So that's a
otherwise it's-
supposed tornado that we can't see.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, we're coming up to the rain curtain now.
Do we just let this all pass in front of us?
Here, let's get this.
Or are we going east?
That's gonna have hail in it.
Okay, we're going east, looks like.
What road is this?
I'm just gonna stop here. This
Yeah, you're
is
good.
for you.
You're good. For now.
Okay.
I don't want to get hailed on, but whatever. I don't think it's big.
It shouldn't be big. Reflectivity's not fantastic.
For this tornado, supposedly.
You say it's just SPS.
Man, it's really rapid.
If it's in there, it's.
How long do we have before we lose our view? Probably not that long, right? I mean, look to the west.
Yeah.
Yeah, that stuff's really close to the ground, isn't it? Yeah. Windows going up. Windows going up. I mean, we're definitely in a good position with our east view. So.
Is this road gravel? This might be paved.
It looks paved.
See how far this goes, I guess.
It goes as far as you want. It goes all the way to 40th Road.
I say we go east.
See where the gravel starts on the map?
I think it might be the same. No, it's paved. It's paved.
I got some chasers right there.
They're not crossing.
No, they're going left.
Those
are farmers, not chasers.
Don't drive into it. He's driving right into it, isn't he?
Yeah, it is. Why is this farmer? It's still got a couplet on it.
I'm trying to get on the east side of the track.
Trying to outrun the hail. Hail's right back in there. And I'm just watching the south still.
What? Oh shit, it better not be. That way.
Yeah.
Well, let's see how good this road is like that. Oh, that's good enough.
Off-road, baby.
Where's your big drops?
Yeah, these are huge.
See anything to the right?
No. No, I mean, I see less than I did. Not far. We got hail. Probably about an eighth, maybe. Half inch? No, not even.
It sounds a lot bigger than it is.
Pennies, maybe? I'm looking at it as it flies in.
Oh, we got hail. That's for sure.
Yeah, it's east side.
Alright, we're going south to the southernmost storm. Really the main right mover. Everything else is linear, so great play right now. See its base already.
Just hold it.
What are you saying? I mean, we're on the wrong side, but it's still nice. Nice southeast ones. Traffic pattern. That's a good, yeah? Oh, yeah. Yeah, didn't he get COVID?
Yeah.
So that's sad, yeah.
The worst timing.
I know. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, there's your core. That's coming from the west. And then, yeah, Nebraska's coming right at us. I just don't know where we're going. That's starting fast. I mean, look in there. That's your car.
Yeah.
Are we moving? What are we thinking? Oh, look back there. West southwest. What's that?
Yeah, that's probably where circulation would go.
Well, I think we should watch there, shouldn't we? That's where it'd be. It's west southwest. It's moving towards us. Okay, so play. Is it trial report?
No,
North southwest.
Okay. So I can't
it's wrapping in there.
I can't see anything. I can't see from this angle what it is.
I see what you're talking about, though.
Yeah. That is the place the funnel would be, because it's like a few miles west-southwest of us, and that's west-southwest. So that is exactly where it would be.
I've seen enough things that look like that from the start.
Yeah, that's why I'm unsure, dude.
That.
You might get quarters in this.
How big do you think this is? Quarters?
I still wouldn't put it in the air. I think cheese size.
Really?
Oh boy, it's really loud. Oh, well that explains it. It's my radar in there. Yeah, that's new.
We're in the car.
This is my hydroplane.
No,
Yeah.
hydroplane. That picked up really fast.
I was gonna say that intensified extremely quick.
Yeah. Like almost on top of us.
Yeah.
There's like 65 PVC in that thing.
Wow.
Oh no.
Well, you know.
I just saw that couplet. I know couplets. I changed my mind last minute because I know couplets can like occlude to the north, and I didn't want to go north as an escape route.
Yeah, no, I was with you on that. I think this is the right call. I mean, even though it didn't like look that impressive, it like, I mean, Eric said there was a spotter report of a funnel.
Yeah.
Like, if there's a funnel being reported, I don't want to mess around with that.
It's I'm not.
Tornado. Just kidding.
That is going pretty high up.
Good west place behind it. Right there, we got some rotation, a lot of rotation in this map.
Blowing up into it.
Some dust underneath it, too. I'm not opposed to that. Insane directional share. Oh man.
Like a normal like quarterly.
Back in Lincoln, we raced the storm home.
And we lost.